reading the English translation of Song of Songs 5:16. It finishes the description by saying, "He is altogether lovely," but what most people don't know is that the name of that man was given in the original Megillat. Here is verse 16, and how it is written in ancient Hebrew, before introducing the vowels, in the 8th century. From the Hebrew Bible, on scripturetext.com. Here is the word in question. This word is made of 4 letters.
Mem, Het, Mem, Dalet.
Now when reading the word as it is written in its original form, with no vowels, it can be read as Muhammad, which is the name of the Muslim prophet, or as Mamad with no A after the H. According to Ben Yehuda's Hebrew English Dictionary, it is correctly pronounced as Muhammad, not Mamad. So how we're going to know for sure if it's pronounced as Muhammad, the Muslim prophet, or as Mamad, a random Hebrew word? The only way is to give the verse to a rabbi and say to him, "Please read." Here is the Song of Songs 5:16, and how it is read by a rabbi from a Hebrew Jewish site. Please notice, the im in Hebrew is a plural of respect.
Hiko mamtakim vechullo mahamadim ze dodi vezer'i benot Yerushalayim. Hiko mamtakim vechullo mahamadim ze dodi vezer'i benot Yerushalayim.
Coming out from the darkness, there are no other gods but God, and Muhammad is his messenger. Let the world hear.
Hiko mamtakim vechullo mahamadim ze dodi vezer'i benot Yerushalayim. Hiko mamtakim vechullo mahamadim ze dodi vezer'i benot Yerushalayim.
Here is the famous SDL translation tool, which includes a professional human translation, as well as an online translation. We're going to copy our Hebrew word of the Song of Songs, directly from the Jewish site. It's the same site, where you can hear the rabbi reading the verse in Hebrew. All links are in the description, so, we're going to copy the word and paste it, and ask, "Please translate." Are they going to translate the meaning of the name of that person? As the Bible translators did? Which is the praised and the lovely one, or are they going to keep the name as it is? Well, see it yourself. Here is the World Lingo Translator. The result is the same. It's Muhammad.
You have no right. You have no